Hello, I'm Carly McAvoy. I wanted to show you how to evaluate a function. And all that means is substitute and simplify. So when you have a function like this, f of x, f of x means I have my function name, which I'm calling it f, and I have the variable declared that I'm going to use in my function. So this is f of x. It's read as f of x. It doesn't mean multiply. It just means a function that contains x. And there's my polynomial function. And I'm asking you to find f of 0. All you're going to do here is where you used to see x, you're going to replace it with the number that I give you, in this case 0. And then I'm going to say, well, 0 squared is 0, and 3 times 0 is 0. So f of 0 equals 7. That's a pretty easy one. What about f of -1? We want to be careful when we have a negative out front, and whenever I plug in, I want to put parentheses around what I'm plugging in. So I have a -1 squared, and then I have 3 times -1, and then plus 7. -1 squared is 1, so I have a -1 because 1 times 1, and then another negative. -3 times -1 is 3, and then 7. So I can see that f of -1, that is when I replace everything with all the x's with -1, I get 2, 7 is 9. -1 plus 3 is 2 plus 7. What about if I have f of 2? Then I have -2 squared minus 3 times 2. I shouldn't have any x's left if I'm replacing them. Notice here I have 2 squared, which is 4, but there's a negative out front, so I have -4. 3 times 2 is 6, and then I have 7. So -10 plus 7 is -3. So f of 2 is going to be -3. Okay, finally I did 3b. I can put anything I want in here. I can put variables, different variables. I can replace whatever. So my function was negative, and instead of x, I now have 3b minus 3 times 3b plus 7. So remember, my negative is out front, has nothing to do with the power, but when I take 3b times 3b, I should get 9b squared. 3 times 3 is 9. I still have a minus out front there. And then 7. These I cannot combine because they're not like terms. One has a second power, one to the first power. I can't put those together. So I would just say f of 3b is -9b squared minus -9b plus 7. Not minus negative. I don't know why I said that twice. -9b squared minus 9b plus 7. All right, that's evaluating a function. Thanks and have a great day.